Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 13. We will go through another 30 words together. Object, object. Remove that object from the table. Research, research. We don't want to be involved in the research. Allow. It's not allowed to smoke in here. Cheap. It was anything but cheap. List. You're not on the list. You're not listed. Which? Which glass is yours? Young. I don't understand today's young generation. Desk. Do not write on the desks. Bowl. I have eaten a bowl of cereal. Listen. Are you listening to me at all? Necessary. That won't be necessary. Spot. He spotted him too late. Have. Have. Cut in half. We cut it in half. Say, said, said. What did you say? Possible. Impossible. It is impossible to see it. After. Afterwards. Afterward. We'll look into it after lunch. Bottle. How many bottles should I buy? Platform. From which platform does the train leave? Sign. Signature. I will never sign that. Walk. Let's go for a walk. Mirror. I could see it in the mirror. City. The city of Brno offers a lot of nice sights. Education. Educational. Education is fundamental. Less. The less you sleep, the more tired you are. push. Stop pushing me into it. Steal. The fence is made from steel. Usually, usually, usual. As usual. Disappoint, disappointed. I didn't mean to disappoint you. Away. Go away. Floor. Everyone on the dance floor.